Hi, it's Kyle Leon here. Let me start off by thanking you for dropping by and congratulating you because you made a wonderful and self-improving decision today by doing so. This short but information-packed presentation has nothing to do with pills, powders, potions, silly exercise gizmos, fad diets, or any other crap the multi-billion-dollar diet industry has been hawking at you for years.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hollowell. Let me quickly share my personal and professional reason behind why I'm here because it's important. I've treated thousands of patients in Indiana, Miami, and now Canada that have been burdened with health-robbing fat, and I've probably treated somebody just like you. I don't sugarcoat it. What you eat is the most important factor to strip off stubborn, unhealthy fat, even if you have a thyroid condition, big bones, or even the worst genetics. Food is flat out the best medicine for your metabolism and your health. However, as odd as it sounds, figuring out what foods to eat, in what amounts, and at what times to create a fast, fat-burning metabolism always remains a mystery to most. I compare it to unlocking a safe. Every safe has a different combination, just like everyone's metabolism has a unique combination. Without the right combinations, unlocking a safe or unlocking your metabolism's fat-burning switch just doesn't happen. This approach is the quickest, safest, healthiest, most natural, and most effective approach to permanent fat loss that I've ever reviewed, and I support 100%. I recommend this approach to my patients, and I've personally used it to shed 24 pounds of fat myself and ended up with the body I had in high school.
Obviously, this bothersome weight gain is totally not your fault, because until now you've had no choice but to write it off to your genetics or your metabolism slowing down. Imagine if certain foods could rejuvenate and reprogram your metabolism to overcome your genetics and ensure you get leaner as you age. Well, the best celebrity nutritionists overcome genetics and create fat-melting metabolisms that have stars turning heads for decades. I refer to this trick as age-defying nutrition. Now this is where it gets good. There are three general body types you may have heard of. They are ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. What you probably haven't heard of yet are all of the other body types that science has recently identified and how they all respond to nutrients differently. This is so important because understanding what your true body type is, not your general body type, and how it responds to nutrition is absolutely crucial to know what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat to burn fat. This is why even the very best diet books out there work for just some people and not others. I mean, it makes sense, right? Think about it. Should this person really have the exact same nutrition plan as this person? Or should this person really be eating the same way as this person? We are all different, and we all have different nutritional needs to maximize our fat loss. Here are a few reasons why generic plans always fail you and your expectations. 1, they are not truly customized for you. They may pretend to be, but they don't adjust the nutrition for you, your age, your weight, your height, your metabolism, or your body type. For example, anytime you see a rounded off 2,000 calorie meal plan, you know you're not getting anything personalized for you, your body type, or your goal. 2, because they use outdated science. Take carbohydrates, for example. Carbohydrates react remarkably differently in all of the various body types. I'm sure you've heard sources say carbs are evil, and other sources say carbs are good. Well, what matters is what's good for you. For certain body types, certain carbohydrates can actually help accelerate your fat-burning results when used properly. And for other body types, they can kill your fat loss. Carbohydrates provide us with energy, but they also promote the release of the hormone insulin. Certain body types release more of the potential fat-storing hormone insulin than others in response to carbohydrates. Certain body types have more fat cells than others, and certain body types are more likely to store fat when insulin is released than others. Another example is certain body types cannot burn calories from certain foods efficiently because of a blunted heat response these body types have to those foods. Obviously, that's not good because burning calories is a big part of losing fat. 3, they sacrifice valuable metabolism-boosting muscle. Generic plans slow down your metabolism because your lean muscle is sacrificed. Maintaining our lean muscle is so important because the more lean muscle we carry, the more calories we burn. It's as simple as that. More lean muscle equals more fat burnt. Many people lose weight following generic plans, but they end up looking the exact same, with the exact same body fat percentage, but a smaller version of themselves, as you see here. That's not what you want, right? To sum it up, generic approaches are like playing the lottery when it comes to your fat loss. When following a generic plan, you're really just guessing or hoping you're taking in the right food, in the right amount, at the right time for your body type to optimally burn fat without sacrificing lean muscle. I mean, what do you really think the odds are that that's happening? That you're just guessing right all day? The odds are not good. Plain and simple generic approaches leave you spinning your wheels and looking the same week after week like most people do. Customized fat loss training. If you want to accelerate and enhance your fat loss even further, this extremely simple, customized exercise program guarantees to do just that and more. Save yourself time, energy, money, and disappointment on things like exercise gizmos or demanding and difficult programs that you don't like and don't work. Research shows a professionally customized exercise program for your body type burns 3 times more fat than generic programs and is twice as enjoyable. This step-by-step 12-week program will maximize your fat loss using quick, simple, and easy exercises you'll love even if you've never worked out before. Rev up your metabolism as your body releases up to 2.5 times more natural fat-burning hormones than ever before. Define, strengthen, and tone your muscles even in your flabbiest areas while melting off maximum fat from these same places. Customized fat loss supplementation. Are you mistakenly taking so-called fat burners that are actually killing your fat loss? In the Straight Talking E-Guide, you will discover the supplements you should avoid like the plague and why they might be making it harder for you to lose weight. The 4 supplements the pros use for further fat loss, the long-standing proof behind them, and how they work together to assassinate fat. How to save cash and get the most bang for your buck when buying supplements. Stop paying 1,000% markups. I'll show you how inside, and much more. Customized fat loss unlimited upgrades. Whenever upgrades become available, I will hook you up free of charge, no matter how much it costs to make them.